Hazrat Abu Usman has reported from Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu invited a group of people to a feast and said to Hazrat Abdul Rahman, "You should serve them meal in my place as I am going to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and get free from serving them before I come back." So Hazrat Abdul Rahman brought the guests, served the meal he had, and said, "Take it." They said, "Where is our host?" He said, "You may consume it." They said, "We will not eat it up until our host comes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Accept from us the meal available, for if you don't eat it and he comes, he will find myself in trouble." But they again refused. I realized that he would be angry with me. When he came, I went aside. He asked, "What you have done?" So they told the whole story. He thereupon said, "O Abdul Rahman," I remained silent. He again called, "O Abdul Rahman," I kept silent. He said, "O the reproached one, I have taken an oath, if you hear me, come to me." So I came out and submitted. Inquire of the guests. They said, "He speaks the truth, for they served meal before us." He thereupon said, "You people waited for me. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, tonight I will not eat food." They said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we shall not eat until you eat." He said, "Alas, I have never seen a bad thing like this night. What happened to you? Why don't you accept our playing host?" "Okay, bring meal." So Hazrat Abdul Rahman brought the meal and they put their hands pronouncing Bismillah and said. First state was because of the influence of the Satan. So he started eating and the guests as well. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6140.